Most people think fixing credit takes years. That is not true. In the next 30 days, you can raise your credit score without paying anyone and without doing anything illegal. Stay with me because most people do this wrong. If your credit score is low, if you keep getting denied, or if your score is stuck, this video is for you. I am going to show you what actually moves your credit score fast. And before we start, know that one step in the right direction can change the rest of your life. Hi, my name is Jalen, and I would like to thank you for stopping by to build wealth with us. If you find value here, please help us by simply clicking the like and subscribe button. This will ensure that new videos will reach you by YouTube's algorithm. If you want to fix your credit within 30 days, here's what you need to do first. Step 1, check your credit reports, not Credit Karma, your real reports. Go to annualcreditreport.com. Pull all 3 reports, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. You are looking for errors such as late payments, collections, and high balances. This step alone can change everything quickly. The reports will show you what action you need to make in order to fix your credit. If you want to fix your credit within 30 days, the fastest boost is fixing your credit utilization. In order to do this, you must keep every credit card under 30% of the card limit. Under 10% is even better. If a card has a $1,000 limit, keep the balance under $100. This alone can raise your score in days. Now, dispute errors. Only dispute what is wrong balances, wrong dates, accounts that are not yours. Do not dispute everything that slows you down. Dispute online or by mail. This can remove negative items within 30 days. Negative items hurt, positive credit helps more. If you have no open credit, get a secured card or a credit builder account. One small positive account can outweigh several negatives. This is how the system works. Do not close old accounts. Do not apply everywhere. Do not listen to credit myths. Take your time and pay down your debt. Dispute issue on your report and lower your credit utilization is the key. Credit is a game. Learn the rules and succeed. If you do this correctly, you can see changes in 7 days, 14 days, 30 days. Not magic, just strategy. If you need one-on-one help or would like to hire someone to help you improve your credit, leave me a message or a comment with help with credit. Also, if you would like more detailed information and want to receive high-valued hacks and tools to help improve your credit, then sign up for my Patreon. Feel free to comment credit. Thank you for watching Modern Money with Jalen Brooks. If you would kindly take a second to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, I would gratefully appreciate it. This will allow the algorithm to show you more helpful videos. Until next time, one moment of effort becomes a lifetime of change.